It's such a nice day today, right, Douglas? You said it, Donald. Yeah, but also a very boring day. Just then. Oh wow, it's the race trains again. Race trains? Bondo bingo. Yup. Oh. Alright. A new engine was coming. Hi, I'm Wilbert. I'm looking for the forest and I'm having trouble finding it. Can you guys help me? Well, we can't, but our friend Henry can. Yeah, the forest is my sacred place. Oh, thanks, Henry. No problem. What's your name? Wilbert. I was supposed to have a nameplate printed on my side, but I guess I forgot to do that. No. Alright. Come on, Wilbert. I'll show you to the forest. Okay, see ya. Bye. Bye. Just then... Oh no! Ah! Whew! That was a close one. Ah, help! Oops. Dude, look what you've done. Oh, my face. You don't think my face hurts? Guys, we need help. Just then, I'm finally back from the works. Oh, crap. I gotta get this crane over. Hey, what are you doing on the line? Crap. Ow! Other nearby engines were forced to stop. Wait a minute, this track isn't even destroyed. Oh, never mind. Come on, I was supposed to be at the docks 2 hours ago. Oh, this is gonna be a long day, isn't it? Oh dear, not our problem. The mess was bad. There were more than 5 engines involved. Harvey's gonna have fun today. Make that 8. I'll go get the breakdown, Chris. Then, Henry came by. Hey, Emily, what's going on? Oh, well, these 9 engines, I'm pretty sure, all crashed into each other at the intersection. Ooh, can I help? Sure, I guess. All right, let's do it. After all the cleaning up, 089 left with his cars. And all the engines were sorted out. No thank you, guys? Yeah. After all our hard work. Thank you.